Yea, la, ki, and so. Father Gay saw the king, law of war. At the time when enemies fill the kingdom, Lord Drawdle, don't be idle. I put my hope in no other protector but you. Ah, tsi, your hosts of troops are awesome. Ah, Li, they are youthful, wearing splendid accoutrements. Ah, ya, the great men are very mighty. The powerful father warriors are on the right. The beautiful maidens, so lovely and perfumed, wherever you gaze at them, they are as if smiling. Wherever I direct my mind, it goes to them. The lovely mother warriors are on the left. Above the white clouds of the law domain are brilliant. In the middle, the stone houses of the human domain are dark and dignified. Below, the mist of the Lu domain rises and swirls. Grasp the Mu cord and come here. In the midst of this, O king, please take your seat of joy in this white country, the Law Valley. You are the lord of plentiful land and wealth. King Gesar of Ling, fulfill this. Hosts of clouds of cleansing Amrita gather and gather, drums and melodious music of thunder reverberate, lakes of drink white and sweet abound, good fragrant incense billows, flags and banners flutter like flashing lightning, with love and faith mind yearns. If a son does not rely on his father, on whom will he rely? In the same way, a daughter must rely on her mother. At this time, show the signs and marks, subdue enemies of the eight directions, protect friends who are worthy of esteem. Show your smiling face of deathless Amrita, O great white light of awe of the womb of space. You soar on top of the three worlds. You play joyfully on a small seat of grass. From within your mind of luminosity, look upon your child. Please accept my offering of devotion from now onwards until attaining the essence of enlightenment. Be an unchanging protector, Andrala, for me. May your glorious mind and mine mix inseparably. Ah, la mo li. Kie in the clear space of great emptiness, devas of the three roots, the nature of mercy and compassion. Father, great lion on the troops of warriors, bring down your blessings, be a protector and refuge. By this cleansing offering of the tree of law, I offer up to the three jewels the objects of refuge, the Lord Gurus, Yedams, and Dakinis. Lord Gesar of Jambudvipa, he at this time is in the aspect of a general subjugating the enemy with pennants on his helmet fluttering in the sky, with swirling sparks of dharmapalas and protectors, pennants flapping with a cracking sound, Mother Dakinis dancing in concert, his white helmet flashing forth rays of light, biting his lower lip in Drala fashion he menaces. The lace of his armor of 100,000 flames is impressive. The armies of Wehrma draw up in formation. Their three weapons clasped at the waist shimmer, the whistle of the blood drinkers shrills, horses gallop and canter racing along, the Kadus march in formation. If there is a warrior Drala, it is Gesar. If there is a Werma, it is Gesar. If there is a guru for the next life, it is Gesar. If there is a leader for this life, it is Gesar. Outwardly, he is the mighty general Norbudradol. Inwardly, he is Avalokiteshvara. His unchanging mind is Lord Padmasambhava. I offer and praise the Devas. May their wishes be fulfilled. For me, your child, steadfast in Samaya, today be refuge, protector, and helper. Fulfill my wishes in accordance with Dharma. Now, on this very day, fulfill my aspiration. May I be able to take the heart and lungs of my vindictive enemies and accomplish many good victories. Leader of Jampudvipa, don't be idle, don't be idle. Ah, la, cha, hey, ho. His skillful chestnut steed outwardly manifests as a horse, inwardly he arises as the mind of enlightenment. He is the emanation of Hayagriva, he is elegant with a rainbow swirling about. He has the treasure of the gate of swift wind and the strength of the wings of birds. He possesses the glorious strength of a snow lion. His Vajra mane glowing, his Vajra mane flowing right and left magnetizes the Drala of white conch Garuda. The vulture down on the points of his ears magnetizes spies of luminous torches. His forelegs of wheels of wind magnetize the Drala of Lord of Life. The four hooves of the steed magnetize the drawl of swift wind. On the tip of each hair law reside. If you do not protect me, your child, who will you protect? Accept this purification and warrior drink. Increase your power of swiftness. Miraculously lead me to the place that I desire. Accomplish my desires. Arouse the activity of wind horse. Oh horse, poo poo, so so, cha cha, increase. The minister is the leader of the activity of great lion. He is the guide of arrows. He is the renowned turquoise dragon in the sky. He is the law victorious in all directions. He is the unassailable power of the Vajra thunderbolt. He is the general Denma Changtra. He rides the steed Notruk Dempa. In his right hand he brandishes an arrow, in his left he brandishes a bow. He performs a Vajra dance with troops of wereman formation. He completely devastates the life of the vindictive enemies. He cherishes dearly the child who holds Samaya. I offer to Denma who brings long life into our home. I offer to Denma who provides a good journey while traveling. I offer to Denma who accomplishes purposes in commerce. I offer to Denma who is the good raider in disputes. I offer to Denma who is auspicious in everything. I offer to Denma who accomplishes whatever mind desires. Be affectionate to this longing child. Your arrow pierces the heart and lungs of the vindictive enemies. I offer their heart's blood which quenches the thirst of the Werma. Accept my offering, King Great Lion. Accept my offering, Minister Denma. Arrange together the penance of the king and minister. Be not small in power against the vindictive enemies. Be not weak in strength against the evil obstructing spirits. Accept my offering, order of warriors. Accept my offering, host of Werma. Accept my offering, fierce assembly. Don't be idle, don't be idle. Perform these activities. Bury the black enemies upside down. Glorify the white Nyen. Proclaim fame like thunder throughout the kingdom. Hold up the banner which is victorious in all directions. It is time to hoist the Drala banner. It is time to sound the trumpet of Werma. Don't be idle, warrior of Ling. Show the signs and marks right now. Accomplish whatever mind desires, and grant me the supreme and ordinary cities. E a ti mi bulag yellow. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk. Kiki, so so, ashe, la, gyalo. Taksin, kyungdruk, drk.